Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. Today I'm with Gino. He's up on the roof of this Meridian, and you're replacing the ladder, right?
Yes, sir.
So you had to do a universal ladder and modify it to make it work, huh?
Yes, sir. Use the old template, or the old ladder as a template, basically.
Yeah.
Figure out sizing for the new one, get it all match up. Helped secure it a little bit better, added a few more screws on the bracket here, or screw holes, riveted down. Just gotta snug it up and seal it up.
All right. And so I see that you've had to like splice it in a couple different areas and modify it to make it work. So that's cool.
Yep, little custom job.
Well, it sure beats, doing a universal ladder and making it work versus trying to order one that's not even probably available anymore.
Right.
And so if you had to wait to get a new one, they would have probably charged them a lot more than a universal. Plus, the freight to get it here and all that kind of fun stuff. So anyways, stay tuned for more. This is just another unit that's here on the lot and of just some of the daily stuff that we do. If you haven't already joined any of our Facebook groups, we encourage you to do so. Check out our YouTube, check out our photo albums. We post a lot of pictures and videos to kind of help the RV community. So, all right. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.